Welcome to Homework Lib.
So for part A, it wants us to graph this, but we need to first find the frequency for each wavelength in the table with the problem. So for the first column, that's C divided by wavelength, which would be 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by 0.0214 meters, and that gives you 1.40 times 10 to the 10th hertz. So, doing this for all the wavelengths gives the values in this table. So I'm just going to write out the rest of the values for the table. So we have B of t, and then we have frequency of 10 to the 10th hertz. So 0.51, which is 1.401. 0.74, which is 2.097. 1.03, which is 2.802. 1.52, which is 4.199. 2.02, 5.604. 2.48 would be 7.005. And then 2.97, 8.398. So we need to put these numbers on a graph for us. So the graph will be like this. Over here will be the frequency, so 10 to the 10 hertz. Down here will be B of t. So it starts with 0, then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Actually, it stops at 9, but okay. And then down here it is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. So if you, let's put a little mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So at 0.5, you go up a little bit above 1. You're right there. In between these two, 0.5 and 1, you go up to 2. A little bit past 1, you go right below 3. A little bit past 1.5, you go above 4. A little bit past 2, you're in between 5 and 6. And a little bit past 2.5, you're right at 7. And then right at 3, you're above 8. And this is supposed to make a straight line. I'm just doing this with my bare hand, so it's kind of difficult. But it should be a straight line. So now for part B, the photon energy is E equals hf. So the magnitude of the spin magnetic moment is 1/2 h times the slope, which would be 1/2 times 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34 joules per second times 2.84 times 10 to the 10th hertz divided by t's. And that leaves you with 9.41 times 10 to the negative 24 joules per T. For part C, we use this equation. Micro Z divided by SZ is equal to absolute value of micro Z times H divided by 2, which gives you 2 times 9.41 times 10 to the negative 24 joules per T divided by 1.055 times 10 to the negative 34 joules per second. This leaves you with 1.784 times 10 to the 11 hertz per T. So this gives you, divided by E divided by 2M is equal to 2 over E. And so that would be 2 times 1.784 times 10 to the 11 times 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 divided by 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs, and that gives you 2.03. There you go.